Yeah, now we have taken the bad one, so now we want to replace the new one. So how to replace the new one? And also you need to be careful about the yellow wire because you don't need to fold. You don't need to fold it stronger like other wires. So because this one is for protect.
It's fiber.
Yeah, to protect the fiber.
And the cable is fiber.
Yeah, you must follow the arrow line. Yeah, you must follow this direction. And also the silicone cover, yeah, is to protect the mirror. So you must cover, do not throw away because of dust. Then you can tie it. Yeah, you take the dash cover. Then this is the new fiber laser source. You take the aluminum key. Yeah, you connect the HDM cable. Yeah, these are the wires. The yellow one is the earth and you must connect it directly, and the brown one with 240 volt is the positive. So positive goes to V plus and the negative goes to V dash V, and the earth, yeah, goes to, yeah, and you must connect it directly. The way you dismantle, the way you disconnect, that is the way you connect. So you don't need to make any mistake for connecting, for the connection. The connection have to be accurate. So once you do this, then you connect the power to check if the connection is right. Then that shows that yes, the connection is okay.
That was the laser fan.
Yeah, so once the fan is blowing, and when you hear a noise, So you know that yes, the fiber laser source is well connected. Then you can turn on the software to check. Yeah, you check the laser control, laser text. Yeah, power 775 plus LEDs. We are 1000. Yeah, frequency 20. Then you can on. Then you can use the frequency, the white frequency to check the laser.
Now the laser is on.
Now the laser is on.
Adjective.
Yeah. Then adjust.
Adjective the direction.
Adjective the direction.
Make sure this laser spot.
Yeah,
is
make
a
sure.
circle and full. It's a full circle.
Make sure the laser spot is full circle.
要追踪对不对？
Yeah, once the circle is accurate and circle, yeah, you can. Yeah, that shows that yes, the laser, the circle is okay. Then now you cannot cover. Yeah, this is a blaster cover. Yeah, just to cover the wires makes it look more good. the aluminum key. Yeah, once it is okay, then
Keep the
you keep the
right length.
the light lens straight.
And adjustable this length. This one
Yeah,
just.
adjust the lens so you can fix the wire good.
Before this time you end. Okay.
It's okay now.